Concept 3, to find the correct time on incorrect line. So, the normal clock covers 60 minutes. But there are two types of problems. First, gaining time and losing time. If the clock is running fast than the usual time, that is 60 minutes, then it gains time than the normal clock. So it covers more than 60 minutes. So by the type losing time, the clock is running slower than usual and it covers less than 60 minutes. So moving on to the sums. First one, a clock will 4 seconds in 3 minutes and is set at 9 minutes. What time will it show? At 11 p.m. on the same day. So, given that for each 3 minutes it gains 4 seconds. So for 1 hour it gains 20 into 4, 80 seconds. From 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. on the same day it has 14 hours. That is, from 9 to 11 p.m. The clock covers 14 hours. So in 14 hours the gain time will be 14 into 80 seconds, that is 1120 seconds. When we are converting this into minutes, we will get 18 minutes 40 seconds. So what should we do is, from 11 p.m. we should add 18 minutes 40 seconds. So the clock will show 11, 80, 40 p.m. Moving on to the next one. A watch gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes and was set right at 11 minutes. What time will it show? At 10 p.m. on the same day. So a clock gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes. So we are dividing 1 hour by 3 because it is 3 minutes, that is 20 minutes. So it gains 5 into 20, that is 100 seconds in 1 hour. Hours between 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. will be 12 hours, and in 12 hours the clock will gain 12 into 100 seconds, that is 1200 seconds. So what I will show when we convert this 1200 into minutes, we will get 20 minutes. So the clock will show 10:20 p.m. at 10 p.m. at night. Next sum, the watch gains 3 minutes. Now moving from seconds to minutes, a watch gains 3 minutes in 1 hour and was set right at 8 a.m. What time will it show? At 9:30 p.m. on the same day. The clock gains 3 minutes in each hour. So the time between 8 a.m. and 9:30 p.m. will be 13 hours and 30 minutes. Watch will gain 3 minutes, 3 into 13 and a half, will get 81 minutes. When we are converting this into minutes and seconds, we will get 40 minutes and 30 seconds. So exactly the watch will show 9 hours 30 minutes, that is plus 40 minutes 30 seconds, that is 10 hours 10 minutes and 30 seconds. A clock loses 5. Now moving on to the second type, that is the losing time. A clock loses 5 seconds in 4 minutes. And was set right at 11 a.m. What time will it show? At 1 p.m. The clock loses 5 seconds in 4 minutes. So we are dividing 1 hour by 4, that is 15 minutes, and it loses 15 into 5, 75 seconds per hour. So now from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. the time passed is 6 hours. In 6 hours the clock will lose 6 into 6 into 75, that is 450 seconds. That is, when we are converting the seconds into minutes, we will get 7 minutes 30 seconds. Hence, the clock will show 11:52, 11:30 seconds p.m. at 1 p.m. When it loses time, we should subtract the attained minutes from the given time. So 1 o'clock minus 7 minutes 30 seconds will give us 12:52:30 p.m. So next sum, a clock loses 5 seconds in 1 minute and was set right at 7 a.m. What time will it show? At 3 p.m. on the same day, given that the clock loses 5 seconds in 1 minute. So for each minute also it loses 5 seconds. So the clock will lose 5 into 60, 300 seconds in 1 hour. The time duration from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. is 8 hours. So when we convert this into seconds, that is 8 into 300, we will get 2400 seconds, which is lost. So when we convert this 2400 into minutes, we would get 40 minutes. So when we subtract this from the 3 p.m., we will get 2:20 p.m. So finally the clock will show 2:20 p.m. at 3 o'clock. The clock loses 5 minutes in every hour and was set right at 11 a.m. on Sunday. When will it show the correct time again? So here we should note that the clock is losing 5 minutes and was set right at 11 a.m. on Sunday. When will it show the correct time? We should give exactly the day when it will show 10 a.m. on 10 a.m. That is the answer. So for the clock to show the correct time again, it should lose 12 hours. So again, for the same clock to show the time again, the losing time should be 12 hours, given that the clock loses 5 minutes in 1 hour. So when we take, it loses 60 minutes in 12 hours. That is 5 into 12, we will get 60. So it loses 60 minutes in 12 hours, and it loses 12 hours, that is 12 into 12, that is 144 hours. When this 144 is converted into days, we will get 6 days. So at Saturday 10 a.m. again the watch will show correct time. So hence it will show correct time again at 10 a.m. on Saturday. So after 6 days of this Sunday, a watch loses 5 minutes in 2 hours and was set right at 6 a.m. What time will it show at 6 a.m. next day? Given that watch loses 5 minutes in 2 hours, so the hours between 6 a.m. and next day 6 a.m. is 24 hours. So it will retrieve that 5 minutes. So 60 minutes is lost. So at next day morning 5 a.m. itself, it will show 6 a.m. 1 hour is reduced in the watch timings. A watch loses 30 seconds in 2 minutes and was set right at 8 a.m. If it shows 9 in the evening on the same day, what is the correct time? Given that watch loses 30 seconds, 3 seconds in 2 minutes. So when 3 into 60 by 2, it loses 90 seconds in 1 hour, that is 1.5 minutes. It loses 18 minutes in 12 hours. So when we convert this into 12, we are multiplying this 1.5 into 12, we will get 18 minutes in 12 hours. When it
when watch shows 9 a.m., the correct time will be 9 plus 20, 9:20 p.m. So in 12 hours, it will lose 20 minutes. So it will be 9 plus 20, 9:20 p.m. When it is showing 9 p.m., the correct time will be 9:20. A clock gains 5 seconds in 2 minutes and was set right at 9 a.m. If it shows 2:30 in the afternoon on the same day, what is the correct time? So the clock gains 5 seconds in 2 minutes. So it gains 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. It gains 12 into 5, 60 seconds, that is 1 minute in 24 minutes. So when incorrect clock moves 25 minutes, the correct clock moves 24 minutes. Now from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. on the same day, the time passed by the incorrect clock is 5 hours 30 minutes, that is 3:30 minutes. The incorrect clock moves 3:30 minutes, the correct clock moves 24 by 5, 25 into 3:30, that is 3:16 minutes and 48 seconds. When that is converted into hours, it will be 5 hours 16 minutes and 48 seconds, that is 2:16 p.m. A watch loses 6 minutes in every hour and was set right at 11 a.m. on Monday. What will it show? When will it show the correct time? The clock will show the same time after 24 hours. This is the point to be noted. The clock will show same time after 24 hours. Given watch loses 6 minutes in 1 hour, watch in hour. When it is converted into 12 hours, it loses 72 minutes. When that is converted into 24 hours, it loses 144 minutes. So the required time is 12 by 144, that is 5 hours. The clock will show correct time, that is 5 days. The clock will show correct time after 5 days. So after Monday, 5 days would be Saturday, that is on 11 a.m. Saturday, it will show the correct time again. Thank you.